Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today we got another Chevelle to show you. We're gonna be doing a walk around on a 1972 Chevelle with a 396 under the hood. It's nice and clean, inside and out. Any flaws that I see on this car, I'm gonna be showing you. I want you to know everything about this car before you drive down here from wherever you are. We do this with every car on the lot. All you have to do is type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar, and you should be able to find 2 videos of each one of our cars. One's a test drive and one's a walk around. Getting started on this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We try to post videos every single day, and check out maplemotors.com for additional information like detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. We can ship these cars all over the nation. Starting up here in the front, you see the front bumper does have some spots coming through. You can get a new set of bumpers for these cars, typically around $150 each. The grille is in great shape. Headlight bezels are not bad. There is some pitting popping up in this one. Paint job's in pretty good shape. There's a crack in the windshield right here in the middle. I seen it as soon as I got in the car. There's some bubbles popping up at the bottom of the panel here. Little rust issues that'll need to be addressed. The mirrors are not in bad shape. They look pretty clean. Trim's the same way. The door is hanging a little bit. Let me try to reshut it. See, it's kind of hanging a little bit. Tires look great on this car. Lots of tread life left. I went ahead and opened the trunk so I'm not fumbling keys and wasting time here. The trunk opens easily. The bumper on the back's in the same condition as the front. It has its own scratches, a little bit of rust coming through. Dual exhaust out the back. Seal around the trunk has been replaced. It's nice and new looking. Let's lift this mat up, see if there's any water. A little bit of moisture is getting in here. A lot of times it's the back window not sealing up properly. But I'm not seeing any evidence of it coming from the back window. Usually you can see streaks running down the fenders. Typically find out where it's leaking from. We're gonna leave the mat all messed up, and I'm gonna tell the guys in the back to clean that out. You can see the trunk has been patched up. You may need a trunk pan put in it. It's just patched over here and in this area. The rest of it looks all right. Package tray's in great shape. Looks good. Lid itself's in great shape. It's not rusted out. Nice and clean looking. It shuts easy. Well, you always got to be firm on these old Chevelles, it seems like, when shutting the trunk. Coming around this back quarter here, it's in great shape. This door lines up well. Door handle is showing some pitting on it. Not in perfect shape. Roof looks great. Trim looks great. Coming down the bottom of this door. The door's in good shape. The bottom panel of the door is looking good as well. The fender here on both sides, driver and passenger, has bubbles popping up on it in the same exact spot where it holds water. You can see some chips on the door. All right, we made it all the way around. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Door opens nice and easy. Door panel is not in bad shape. A little bit of fading going on down here. The seat's in great condition. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? As we look around the car, everything seems nice and clean. Headliner looks great all the way around. Showing 39,000 miles on the dash. You know I can't stand behind that. This is a 72 model. It's got some aftermarket gauges under the dash here. Console's in good shape. A little loose there. Probably just adjust that bracket down and tighten things up. Starts up easy. I'll be waiting on that temperature gauge to come up. Blower motor is out in this car. It's not making any noise. The tachometer is not coming up. Not showing any RPMs there. Let's see. Windshield wipers do work. Horn? No horn. Back to the no horn streak. You'll have to get one of those installed. The gas gauge is not working. Disappeared off the map there. There's no radio in this car. Not that nope. Glove box is nice and clean, no radio. Somebody took that out for us. Biggest issue on the windshield is that crack. Probably have to get a windshield put in it. Pretty healthy sounding motor. The springs are pretty weak on this. I had to put a prop in so that it wouldn't drop down on us. Just take the prop out. It's already coming down. I'm gonna shut the hood down. It's easy to shut. Little crack. No, that's not crack, that's wax. Chip in the paint there by the hood. few chips in the paint up here where it wasn't aligned at some point, and in the corner there. Most part, it looks pretty good. All right, guys, I'm gonna be giving y'all some undercarriage shots. I'm gonna start up in the front, go to the driver's side, passenger, rear, get all the shots I can under the underside, and then we're gonna go for a test drive, taking this thing down the road, seeing how she runs and drives. Here we go. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed this channel, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Check out maplemotors.com for financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. You can also ship these cars all over the world. Test drive's coming up here in just a moment. I'm going to link it to the last 30 seconds of this video so you can easily find it. Or just type in 1972 Chevelle Maple Motors. You'll see this and other Chevelles pop up, but this one will still be available if it is available. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.